guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing Ipsy Plus. What's on my face? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing Ipsy Plus for... Hello Mr. Menace. Today I am unboxing Ipsy Plus for the month of May, and this month has been pretty darn good when it comes to my subscription boxes that I've been getting. So I am, as always, excited to dive in. I think I say that every time. Sorry. But I do have on a very particular look today. So I have on a little guacamole sprinkle freckles, however you want to look at that, but that's what it looks like. I think it's really cute. And I also use the... I think it's avocado, not guacamole. I think it's avocado, the I Heart Revolution palette, and it is super green. I used some ColourPop liner on the inner. Just a little info on the box. This is the $25 a month version, and with this one you get 5 full-size products valued at $120 or more. I feel like typically it's more, but let's go ahead and just dive into it. Little sneak peek. All right, first thing on top is the Sugar Rush by Tarte. Sugar Rush is a brand by Tarte. So this is a little trio brush set. It's got a pencil crease brush, a rounded blending brush, and a tapered blending brush. And I think these are supposed to look like pencils. It's got like paper on the box, wrapped up nicely. Oh, and packaged again. So we've definitely seen some pencil brushes before. Sephora had their little thing, and then when I saw that, I learned about the crayon case brushes. So this is definitely not like a brand new thing, but they do have something different on them. So it says stay sharp, write your story, and goal getter right there on the brushes. So that's what they look like, little pointed tips. And then here are the actual brushes bristles. The ferrule's like this really nice gold. It looks pretty and they feel decent. I do feel like Tarte has a history of putting out some kind of iffy brushes. I got that gorgeous pink powder brush and I got it home and it literally feels like it's a Dollar Tree item. It feels so cheap, and then some of their brushes feel really, really nice. So it's like a whole spectrum, but these actually feel really nice. So I am excited for this. Once again, I don't have a card that actually tells us anything about the product, so I kind of wish I did so that I could refer to that. But these are cute. I'll definitely add these into my collection. I like these soft light colors, the yellow, pink, and white. Definitely very like spring and summer, but these feel good. I mean, bristles feel nice. The weight of them feels nice. They don't feel overly cheap. These are like a plasticky type of handle, but I like them. I mean, they're nice and long. I feel like I can do some artistry work with this. So I am excited to add these to my brush collection. Let me go ahead and pull the bag out. So I've been back and forth about the bags. One bag so far I liked. The next one I wasn't too thrilled about. This one is pretty cute. The color story is definitely like beachy, super, super summery. We got a yellow tassel on here. I also like the pink one. The color in the regular bag was really cute. I called it Pink Lemonade. And this one is like, I don't know what I would call this, but it's like beachy vibes to me. And it's got like a little yellow tassel. I don't really love the shape of these bags for whatever reason. This is something so stupid, but I just prefer bags that are more like rectangular. This one's got a little curve to it. That will probably not even register to anybody else to be a thing to be annoyed about. I'm probably just going to keep the pink one, honestly, and give the other ones away. I typically do that unless I'm just in love with the bag. I don't usually keep all of them, but this one is really, really cute. Love the colors. Next up, we got the Nomad Sydney, I'm guessing Bathers Kiss of Sun palette, and I think this is a face palette. So this is the outside packaging. It looks really, really pretty. I have the Nomad Berlin Underground palette, the eye one, and I really love it. It's like grungy colors. It's super cute. This one is, oh, I see, it's a boob. So apparently I was like looking at it like, what in the hell is going on? But this is a boob, and that's her side right there. Okay. Ooh, this looks really, really pretty. So let me show you guys. These are the shades right here. I just washed my hands, so I'm gonna dive in. I don't like to dive in if I have like a bunch of oils on my hands. Ooh. Ooh, look at that one. This one especially for me, but they're both gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pronounce it. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is Balmoral. I don't know. This one is Tamarama. You can tell I've never been to Australia. Tamarama Beach. This one is Bondi Beach. That one I know. And then we've got one that looks like a matte and it's called Manly Beach. Ooh, so there are the 4 shades. This is right up my alley. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little hand swatch Ooh, very creamy, very blendable. Even the matte is like super creamy feeling. So I am stoked to try out this palette. This is really cute. I guess I don't care one way or the other that it's got like, you know, a bikini on the front, but it wouldn't be my first choice of packaging, but the colors look absolutely stunning, and that's all that really matters. So I am super excited to try this out on the face. I think it's going to be absolutely stunning. Let's see, we got something from Colored Rain. This is the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. Looks like a little small guy right here. So let's open this up. I like the white and the gold. All right, so very sleek, simple packaging. This would be like a good travel size maybe. Here are the colors right here. It's cute. I can't say that it's really like striking me in any kind of way where I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait to use it. If for someone who loves like those more light plum type of colors, I think this would be really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this for myself at this point because I don't know if it's doing enough for me to really want to keep it. I just ordered a couple palettes on the Boxy pop-up and I'm like, oh, do I need another palette? But this does look cute. I kind of wish there was more mattes to shimmers. There's only 2 mattes and then you've got like 4 shimmers or metallics in here. So I would like a little bit of a different ratio. That would probably be the one thing that would stop me from traveling with this palette, is that I would want more mattes even if this was the color story I was going for. This one shade is gorgeous though. It's got this gold sparkle to it. I don't know if you will be able to see it on camera. You know what? I'm gonna swatch this one because I can always give it to someone who doesn't mind. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so let me go ahead. I've already swatched it with my finger, so I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. This can always be sanitized, obviously, if I don't want to use it. Ooh, look, that's pretty. You know what? I think I'm just going to try it out, and then if I wear it once and I don't like it, I can always sanitize it and still give it to someone because that's easily remedied. So I think I'm going to try this out. Let me go ahead, since I made that decision, I'll go ahead and swatch one more shimmer and then a matte. Okay, so there is a couple more shades. This is the matte, and then this one's more of a metallic. It looks pretty, but it's really this like one berry kind of shade that is really drawing me in. So I'm gonna give this a try and we're gonna see how it goes. I have a couple Colored Rain single shadows and I think they're really good quality, so I'm sure that one will be nice as well. All right, we've got 2 more products. We have the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. It's pH balanced, smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. So I've gotten a couple things from this brand before, but I don't think I've ever actually used them. It's just something about it that like hasn't made me like have a strong desire to use their products. But this one is PETA certified, skin loving ingredients, made fresh in Amsterdam. I might have to just dive in and see because I could absolutely fall in love with this. Made in the Netherlands. All skin types, even the most sensitive skin, moisturizes, nourishes, and protects your face after a mud, clay mask, peel mask, or any other face mask without clogging your pores. So After Mask Serum, I've never heard of that before, so I am kind of curious to see, will this make any change in my routine, just sticking with my normal mud mask and see what happens. So I think I'm going to have to give this one a try and see how it goes. All right, we have got one more product. This is the Tarte lip paint. This is the shade Front Row. I don't have a lot of Tarte lip paints because I find that some of them, specifically some shades in particular, are super drying and other ones are good. So I'm curious to see how this one goes. It's a really pretty like sienna red. So let's swatch. Ooh, it's a very thin one. Okay, so that is the shade Front Row right there. It looks really pretty. All right, so I'll have to try that color out really soon. Actually, I should have done a try on video for this one. Let me know, like, I've been doing just strictly unboxings, but if you guys would like for me to go ahead and try the things on in the video, let me know. I feel like sometimes I just like to see the products and just get through an unboxing and just see what they got, but if you would prefer a try on, let me know and I can do that for you as well. So just to recap what we got for $25, we got our bag, we got the NOMAD face palette, we got the cute Colored Rain eyeshadow palette, 3 Sugar Rush brushes, we got an After Mask serum, and then we also got a liquid lipstick. So honestly, I feel like that is a really good bundle for $25. The NOMAD palette alone, I would probably be willing to spend $25 on, not to mention that 3 brushes for $25 is not bad, especially if they are good quality, and you've got so many other products here as well. So overall, I think this was a really good box for my Ipsy Plus. Let me know your thoughts down below, and don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, make sure to let me know what you prefer, if you want me to just do the unboxing or if you want to do a try on, I can do that for you as well. And I hope you guys are doing amazing and staying safe and healthy, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys!